going on, Beth? You okay?
I need you to sign a cell ticket for a client of mine, Harry Bennard.
Forget it. I'm not gonna do this shit.
Wait, Chris? The FBI arrested me last night
What? Why the fuck would the FBI arrest you?
because of my involvement in this firm.
Your involvement. The fuck does it mean? What the fuck did you tell them?
They knew everything. No, they had photographs, they had taped conversations. There was nothing I could do.
What did you do?
Chris, the FBI is going to raid this place in 20 minutes.
The fuck are you talking about? Fuck, Beth!
Chris, I asked you for months about shit going down here, and you told me to shut the fuck up and get ready to be a millionaire.
That's right, that's all you had to do. Didn't you learn anything?
I learned how to fuck people out of their money. I did everything this company told me to do, and Harry Bennard lost his life savings. You're just a poor schmuck, and I took him.
Yes, that's all we do here.
We lie! We're liars.
Beth, there's... Who they coming for?
They're coming for everyone. They're coming for everything.
Jesus. You know how hard I worked?
Chris, it doesn't mean shit right now. In 15 minutes, they're gonna come in here and they're gonna make sure that we never trade another share of stock again. But we can do something.
What?
Harry Bennard, my client, sign this cell ticket so we can make his money back. Come on, what's the difference? Do one thing right here. Just sign it. Please. Thank you, Chris. I'm sorry.